Welcoming participants at the lecture organized for officers and men of the Nigeria Police and Federal Road Safety Corps, the Chief Medical Director, IUTH, Professor Iguobazuwa, said management is repositioning the hospital to regain its rightful position as a center of excellence in healthcare delivery in the country. Professor Bazuwa noted that with a first-class trauma center in place in the hospital, it is important to synergize with key officers who are in the forefront of rescuing road accident victims.
This hospital used to be a center for medical tourism. I was a young medical officer here in the early 90s. And then helicopters used to bring patients to come and see us here. And we had patients from Sierra Leone, from Ghana. So the dream is to reposition this hospital back to its original status of being a center of excellence and a center for medical tourism.
In a lecture on pre-hospital care by emergency service personnel during road accidents, Dr. Iguobazuwa described the role of policemen and Federal Road Safety Corps personnel as crucial in saving the lives of victims. Dr. Makelenu Romeo Vincent of the Orthopedic Department IUTH presented practical illustration of accident scenes and the immediate actions required to ensure timely intervention to save lives.
For us to reduce the carnage or the fatalities from road traffic accidents, they have to be an order of events from when the first responders see at the accident site to when they arrive at the hospital.
Running to the accident site, say, "Oh, I want to help a life." You too may become what? A victim. One is to rescue, not to become a victim.
Paramedics from the University of Benin Teaching Hospital were also on the ground to offer practical guide to participants. In an interview, some participants commended Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital for organizing the training, while the CMD, Professor Iguobazuwa, assured that the hospital will continue to support the police and road safety corps to enable them perform better.
So with all this experience, they've enlightened us more. We can at least administer first aid to these victims before they are being taken to the hospital. So it's a welcome development.
I've brought so many patients here as the DTO Okada police station, and the attention given to me here, I've not been receiving it from other places. And I love the innovation.
Trauma unit is a very key point to saving lives of patients who have road traffic accidents. So the IUTH went ahead. We've been able to establish a modern trauma center with all the facilities that is ensuite, including a theater. And then we employed an orthopedic surgeon with some other residents in orthopedics. So we've been able to put this in place to be able to rescue victims.
Participants were also taken on a guided tour around the facilities at the state-of-the-art Trauma Center of Igbinedion University Teaching Hospital, Okada. Pius Nsogho reporting.